Hello, my name is Maxim. When you begin to learn React, your first question probably is, how do I install React? Or how do I set up React project? In this video, I will show you 3 ways to do it. We will use online sandbox, include ReactJS directly into your HTML page, and use Create React App. And the easiest way to start working with React is to go to Code Sandbox and choose React preset. It will automatically generate all the boilerplate and you're ready to go. You can modify it. Let's say, hello, React developer. You can modify it, play around and learn React. Another super simple method is to include React directly into your web page. So you create your index.html file, HTML5, and now you have to add 3 script tags to the body of your HTML page. Don't worry, I will leave code examples in the description. So what do those scripts do? First one adds React itself, so of course it is required. Second one is React DOM. React can actually have different renderers. It can render not only to the browser, but in our case, as we need exactly that, we need to render inside the browser, we should include React DOM as well. And third one is needed only if you want to use JSX. After you've added those scripts, you need to create mounting point for your React application. So we create the div with ID root. And it's not React, so we don't have self-closing tags. And we have empty div with ID root. Now let's create our application code. I've created file app.js. Inside of it, I will define functional component button, const button. It will not accept any arguments, and it will return button with onClick handler. And I will declare inline function here. So I create arrow function that will call alert. Alert, hello, ReactJS, exclamation mark. Now we need to close the button tag, button, and let's write click me. Okay, now we need to mount our button to our application. Remember when we added this div with ID root? Now we will use it as our mounting point. So we call React DOM render. We call our button, and second argument is our mounting point. So we will find it inside our document. Document get element by ID, and we pass ID root. Perfect. Now we need to go back to our index.html and add our script. So we create new script tag, script, and we close it with src app.js and type text/babel. Type text babel. By the way, I'm using npm package serve to serve this simple HTML page. So I call npx serve dot inside the folder that contains index.html and app.js. And now it's available on localhost 5000. So I copy this address and go to the browser. We have click me button. I click it and I see the alert. I've also saved this example on glitch.com, so you can go there and you will see same code that I've shown you here, and you can play around, you can launch it, click the button, see the alert, modify it as you wish, remix this code and learn some React. And the last way to set up React project that I will show you today is to use Create React App. First, make sure that you have Node installed, so type node-v. Otherwise, I would go to Node.js website and install current version. After you made sure that you have Node installed and it has modern version, you will have npx package available, so you can run npx create React app hello React. It will install all the packages, create boilerplate code that is needed to launch React application. And after it's done its thing, you can cd to hello React project, and you have a bunch of scripts available. And you can start your application using yarn start. It will automatically launch the browser and you will see your app running. Now, if you open this project in code editor, you will see a src folder with app.js, where you can modify code of your app, play around, and update it at your will. That's it for today. In one of the next videos, I will show you how to set up React application from scratch using Webpack configuration and not using Create React App. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, press like button if you like this video, and stay tuned for the next updates.